Federal Road Maintenance Agency has commenced rehabilitation work on a damaged section of the Nnewi-Ozubulu Road, a crucial artery for commercial activities in Nnewi and its surrounding areas. This road has faced significant challenges, particularly following devastating erosion that washed away critical sections. The contractors on site, unfortunately, declined to provide interviews, but sources indicate that the rehabilitation efforts will extend beyond the Nnewi-Ozubulu Road. Plans are in place to repair additional sections of federal roads that traverse Nnewi, which is a significant relief for commuters who rely on these routes for their daily business activities. The Nnewi-Ozubulu Road serves as a vital link for traders and residents, enhancing mobility and facilitating economic growth in the region. As the project progresses, the community looks forward to improved infrastructure that will bolster trade and connectivity in Nnewi and its environs. This initiative reflects the government's commitment to addressing transportation challenges and enhancing the economic landscape of the area. For AnaedoTV, this is Priska Ezago reporting.